Hey guys, Courtney here. Yeah, this is my YouTube channel. Sorry I haven't been uploading in a while. So yeah, it's another V recorder. Oh yeah, I never posted that one. Well, this is my art, like full art thing. I'm gonna upload then delete this video because phone's almost out of storage. Sorry guys, it's hard to find my art program. And I'm drinking a Sam's Cola. Oh yeah, it's in this folder. So I press this button. I'm on an LG Stylo 5, but my stylo is missing, so I'm using my finger. Then I press this plus button. Then I draw it on paper first, and oh yeah, that's my new puppy. His no name yet. And then I click a drawing that I drew on paper. Zoom in and crop. Try to get as less cat as I can, because that means I don't have to do as much background and oh god, hell of a background. But loads. Zoom in. Probably won't go to Facebook because Facebook won't take this. I have it at setting 25. I just sketch. Don't ask what that line under it is. It's just a reference line when I drew it on paper. Why the flip did it just save it? I just ignore that. Guys, this is so fun going back to YouTube. My mental health is taking a big toll on my life right now. Sorry, there's been little uploads on YouTube. I had to take a break from all social media. Just DM'd a few friends and stuff. But my mental health right now, today, I got a new puppy. Yeah, but you guys already knew that because I just told it. But yeah, today I had the worst panic attack ever. And I'm talking about, it was so bad that I would yell threats at random people. Random threats at random people. I even threatened myself today, and I called my mother a whore. Yeah, this isn't going to Facebook. No one on Facebook can know what I use. And my mom's on Facebook. So, yeah, panic attack. Very bad today. It wasn't it wasn't like my normal ones. So, I'm just starting to think that starting to think it wasn't a panic attack. Just ignore that while I can't get this thing straight. Let's see. Add a reference. Ignore that, guys. I'm not perfect. I mean, who is? Now I can erase that. There. Finally. Took long enough, Courtney. So, there's the basic body. Oh, hey, kitty. Sorry, Ivory came over here. Hey, Ivory. Hey, kitty. Come on, don't mess with me, Ivory. I'm busy. Mama be busy. I just got Ivory, so she's very lovable and affectionate. Ivory, let me work. Ivory, you just made me curve the ear. Ivory! I barely made that, guys. Ignore it when it says it's saved because my phone recently has been having a crap ton of ads. Okay. So, Okay, Ivory. Mama is busy. Get out. Get out. Ivory, get out. Ivory, get out. Good kitty. Come on. I give Ivory a good pet because she was a good cat, and then she comes over here and starts bothering me again. Finally, I love all my animals, but I'm working. Like YouTube will repay me. There's that. The original one I was going to post was just me drawing with music, but I decided it's way better for me to explain stuff to you guys while I'm doing this. Because you guys might not get it and stuff. I'm nice, okay? Oh yeah, better draw half a heart on the chest. Because a headshot has a heart on the chest, and if I don't get every single thing right, people have a panic attack or something. I'm gonna have to draw some scars later, but sorry guys, if you see me like stop like this, I'm taking a break. I wrecked the ATV a few days ago, and I'm still very sore from it. Yeah. Oh my gosh, that felt so good. The new puppy doesn't have a name yet, so I recommend you guys getting an LG Stylo 5. It is a very good phone. Seriously. I mean, I've never used Ibis Paint, and it's way too confusing for me to understand. So I'm like, okay, LG Stylo it is. My friend has one, and she was telling me how she does her art on it and how it's amazing. I said, okay, I'll get one, and I did, and I love it. But I'm hoping the new Galaxy Note ones. I'm hoping to get a brand new Galaxy Note. They're just like the Stylos, so yeah, guys, think of getting Stylo or Galaxy Note. Since I'm on a Stylo right now, I recommend Stylo. But if I ever do get the newest Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus or whichever one I have when I can buy it, the new model, yeah, I'll definitely be getting it. The new model, and probably will like it better. This was only $130. Great 12-hour battery life. 62 gigabytes of storage. Of course, I've about run mine down with pictures. Come on, kitty. Ivory, mama be busy. I got a BB gun as well, so I've been using it. Gotta go. Sorry guys, stop like that again. Once again, distracted. Ow! My shoulder is so sore. I've been on Instagram a lot. I mean, I started back on Instagram before I started back on any of the other ones. Ignore this. My phone isn't. Yep. My phone originally never had ads, okay? So LG Stylos are good. I just downloaded an app that caused my phone to get overloaded with ads. You guys are gonna see what it's like to do the background here in a minute, and it's not pretty. After I retrace the black lines, then I'll do the background, and then what I'll do is after I do this, I'll draw the scars. Then I'll retrace the black lines, do the background, retrace the black lines, write bright claw, finish it off, and post it. Probably around 30 minutes long video. Oh yeah, this is a shout out. She probably won't see it, but since she's always busy, but I don't really care if she doesn't. Seriously, Courtney, what's wrong with you? But I seriously would consider everyone watching this search up Pink Bunny Girl 43 and follow. Just do it, even if you don't like Warrior Cats. Follow her. She deserves more. Don't ask why. Just don't ask questions. I was listening to Why a few minutes ago, so I have it in my head. I had to sit up, guys. I'm stiff and stuff.
Okay, first I'm going to draw the eye. Guys, I swear if that's a... I knew it was an ad, I called it. Ivory came from my cousin's girlfriend. Thank you, Cheyenne. I met Cheyenne today. She's very nice. So, Jordan, if you're watching this, you got a new girlfriend and she's nice. Thought I'd give you a little compliment because I was like, what? Jordan has a girlfriend? I didn't think anyone wanted to date him. Insult in a funny way. Wow, 11 minutes already? Better erase that. I don't trust the thoughts that come inside my head. Who I am and who I want to be can connect. Why? Yeah, definitely search up NF and just listen to every song by NF. Guarantee you'll start to love him. But listen to Why. If you don't want to listen to all of them, just listen to Why. Why, Trauma, and Nate, I would listen to. Just consider listening to them, guys. You won't regret it. Pink nose. I've been busy too, so... Oh, something bit me. I'm getting tired of these ads. Who I am and who I want to be cannot connect. Why? All I need... Now I gotta do the scars. Who I am and who I want to be cannot connect. Why? Perfect coloring. Then I slimmed down to 14 for the scars. I'm gonna put one right here. Oh wait, never mind. Sorry guys, I meant on the shoulder. On the side there will be 2 slash mark scars. Since you guys might not have, you guys didn't see the headshot tutorial, but she's missing an eye, so I like to keep it mutual. I'm a savage. Seeing that just reminded me of Savage, since it said Megan Thee Stallion. That right there, you might be thinking, what are you doing drawing a dino foot on a cat? It might look like a dino foot, sweetie, but it's not. It is a, patch of fur missing. Couldn't think of it. Now, you might be thinking, why am I doing that? Well, you're about to find out. So, I did the scars. Ignore that. Ignore that. I slimmed back up to 22. Come on. Can't I go 24 hours without one ad on my phone? I would love that. Like, or at least 10 minutes. Might help me get ahead. Yeah, because when I was taking a break from social media, I got a lot of art requests in. So, and I haven't been able to do artwork either. took my depression pill for the first time in weeks actually today. I don't think that I need this type of depression pill. I think this one covers, not discovers, anxiety, depression, and that's it. I think I'm gonna have to go back and say, "Hey nurse, I need one that I need you to check me out and tell me what I have, because random threats. I think I think I need one that a stronger dose of stuff that covers crazy and me shaking a lot, panic attacks, and my attention going to anything shiny." My friend says that's a sign of ADHD, but I have no clue, guys. Okay, guys, so now we're going to choose a color background. Zoom into 60. Go right here. Oh, yeah, look how pretty. Oh, my goodness, guys. You guys have to like that, right? So glad I did this one without music. Usually talk to myself a lot. I swear to God, if that's an ad... I don't know why it keeps doing that loading symbol and saying saved. Haven't even pressed the blue check yet. Give off that I do not belong here vibe. Why? Listen to Why or Die. JK, but I would definitely listen to Why. I'm glad none of my family will see this video. Because my family doesn't support me. They don't like the fact that I waste money on art. Well, it's not a waste of money. It makes me happy. You guys get it. I know you do. What the Seriously. I mean, a few good things will go my way sometimes, but most of the time, nothing ever goes my way, so really sucks. I mean, after this dog, my family says I was promised a kitten by my Peppleberry if it lived, so after I get that kitten, my family said no more cats or dogs until, sorry guys, I'm stretching, but until one of these dies, so yeah. Sorry guys, gotta stretch a lot. We went to the doctor after I wrecked. Nothing major. But he said to get rid of them sore bones, you gotta stretch, so. Uh-oh. Give off that I do not belong here vibe. When I get close like that, guys, when I get really close like that, I will wait till the end. Because that's when I can, like, not wait till the end, but wait till after I've gone filling in all I can, because I'll shrink down my brush size and just go at it. Finish filling in the close parts with my smaller brush. Oh yeah, guys, this is not a promoted video or anything, but I would definitely say to go download an app on Play Store or App Store, and it's called Audiomack. You can listen to all your favorite songs offline. All you gotta do is, while you're connected to the internet, or your data, whichever, download Audio Mac, okay? Once it's downloaded, get on the app, search up your favorite music, download it, and then whenever you're off the internet or have really sucky data, you can listen to music offline. See, I use it. It has some songs by Blixamy, not all, a few rap battles by Blixamy, a few epic rap battles of history, a bunch of varieties. I personally like Angry 2 by Lola Blank or something like that. I don't know. Hold on, guys, I'm stretching again. I'm back. Shut up, Melon. Yeah, I got a guinea pig now. Like this video if you want a pet update too. I'm going to include that. You guys are lucky. I'm going to do a TikTok pet update. It's like 1:27, so I'll have to do it tomorrow, but... And no, TikTok has not got banned in the United States. Appreciate it if you liked and followed. And I'm not the type of people that do that. That where if you like and follow, if you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, the spider won't crawl in your nose. Or if you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, you will get the best news of your life in the next 48 hours. No, I'm not like them. I'm not like them people. What the seriously? Yeah, but I'm not like them. It's not real, guys. Just don't listen to it. I mean, I did one a week ago, and it said you will receive the best news of your life within 24 hours. Oh my god. That one, actually, I did not do it a week ago. I did it today. If you liked, followed, and shared, they said you would get the best news of your life, okay? I got the best news of my life. Well, not the best news of my life. They said you will get good news. Not the best news of your life or anything, but I got good news. I got the puppy that I wanted. The Australian Shepherd mix, because she would hold the check. Does it get your blood boiling? Does it make you see red? Oh yeah, I'm following back everyone that follows my Instagram. Now that is not a promotion for my Instagram. I'm just giving that a fact. I have like 1,000 followers. I was watching Bob's Burgers at 11, so I'm just waiting for 2 a.m. to come so I can watch Family Guy. Right now, Rick and Morty's on, but I've seen all of them except for the next one. I'm caught up, and so no reason. I don't really find enjoying watching the replays. Except for I could watch us the same Family Guy or American Dad episode 3 times in a row and still have the most fun of my life because that has Seth MacFarlane, and that guy, comedy genius. I'm telling you. Ouch, something bit me. Ignore that, something bit me. Wow, I finally finished the background. Ignore what I just did. You only got a slight look. Haha. Go back to 23. Get on the black. Zoom in. Oh yeah, I'm not racist. A lot of people have DM'd me on Instagram saying you're racist. Well, bullshit. I'm not racist. I like Lizzo, a black person. And I have tons of friends that are not white. And one person, idiotic person, DM me on Instagram saying, "Hi, my name is blah blah blah. You're a homophobic freak, so I'm unfollowing and blocking you." I was like, "What?" I was confused. But I said, "Okay," because I didn't really care, but they called me a homophobe, okay? I'm not a homophobe. You guys should know that, because I'm not transphobic, I'm not any type of phobic. I love everyone. I don't really care about anything like that. But they called me a homophobe for no reason. When you guys know I'm not, because I can't be a homophobe because I'm bisexual. But if you're that person that DM me that is watching, screw you, because I'm bisexual. And I'm not a homophobe like you say I am. And if you're telling everyone that I'm a homophobe and to unfollow me on Instagram, you know what's going to happen, don't you? I'm going to ask for proof. And then you won't have anything. Okay, guys. Finished product. Oh my god. Not finished product. Don't look yet. Look at that. Silly Courtney. There. Forgot what I was going to do next, but I know I was going to do something. Ugh, come on. Oh my god. Let me zoom in. And now write B R I G H T C L A W. Now let me do my watermark. Now I might be thinking, what about all that? Well, see that button right there with like the eye on it? You press it to where the eye has a line on it, and then you press it to where you can see it, and there you go. Seriously. I'm going to have to write that back, but it doesn't bother me. I'll show you guys my headshot too in a minute. There. Bright Claw's done. Seriously. I'm getting tired of the ads, but had to do that. Now, I gotta do one more thing, guys. Before I can show you the headshot, I gotta get on the blue and recolor in anything that didn't get colored blue. It's supposed to be blue. Like that. Okay, now press the check. And then there's her headshot. See, oh my god, I'm so glad. Thank you guys. Thank you. You guys are lifesavers. You guys helped me so much. I had left so much excess, and then I think I was gonna post it to Instagram. You guys are lifesavers. I don't know what I'd do without you guys. It's a little bit darker, but it's gonna help. And then, guys, I just go to red. That's on orange. Oh, what? That's been on orange the whole time? Like, there's no flipping way. I've always thought, oh my, they're both orange? What? I've always thought that was red. Guys, haven't you always thought that's red? It probably is red. My eyes are probably just not working. No. Too late. Oh, yes, that's way better than that. I'm a very gory person, guys, but I went with little gore on this since, yeah. No. Oh my God, ads. There, now, check mark. Right. I never finished this one. You know what, guys? You guys have inspired me. It's been 30 minutes anyway. Sorry for this long video when I said it was only going to be around 30 minutes long. But you guys have inspired me to finish this. No, you guys have actually inspired me just to do a little bit of it. Because I got to read a book. So, goodbye, guys, and thank you for watching. And make sure, try, you don't have to, but if you could, like and subscribe. Share. Copy link. Send to someone. Not required. View. Follow my Instagram. And that's it. If you could, you don't have to. I don't force. Thank you.